Namaste friends. The Maitri Cultural Economic Summit is being organized for the whole day to discuss and debate with academicians, economists, performance artists, authors, governance people on various aspects of culture and economy. The third important technical session of this summit is on the theme of creating economic linkages for cultural activities. Unless you create economic linkages for cultural activities, it remains in the domain of hobby only. It cannot create employment, it cannot create economic activities. So the third important theme of this summit is creating economic linkages for cultural activities. And it has been divided into 4 subtopics. Expert will delve on the subtopics. And the first important subtopic is performance and potential indicators for cultural activities. Unless you have good data, unless you have some parameters, some indicators, you cannot make a rightful decision policy interventions. You cannot allocate resources efficiently. Therefore, the first subtopic of this theme is performance and potential indicators for cultural activities. The second subtopic is monetization and financing of cultural activities. All these performing arts, art, music, dance, food, festival, culture, and architecture, everything, their valuation has to be monetized so that they realize their true value. So the second subtopic is monetization and financing of these cultural activities. The third important subtopic of this subject is health and wellness. There is immense potential in India with regard to tourism like yoga, meditation, then naturopathy, the adventure tourism, all medical tourism, all these facilities are being discussed in the third subtopic. And last of this theme is skilling and capacity building. There is a big gap in actual capacity or skill of the people involved into these activities. New education policy does talk about vocational studies like tourist guides and other preserving manuscripts, etc. These will be discussed in how skilling and capacity building can enhance the potential of these people who are involved into various activities of culture and creating economic potential for them is the third important subtopic of this theme. Creating economic linkages for cultural activities is the third theme of our session number 3, where expert will discuss about various aspects of this topic. We are very fortunate to have the best of brains in these topics amongst us to discuss these issues. We all are happy to invite you for participating in this important Maitri Cultural Economic Summit. This is the beginning and it will go a long way for creating an economic development model based on cultural activities for India's growth potential and roadmap ahead. Thank you.